Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 2nd, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Alliance Resource Partners. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Alliance Resource Partners has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record oil and gas royalty volumes to significant increases in net income and adjusted EBITDA.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Alliance Resource Partners reported a total revenue of $535.5 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 9.2% decrease year over year. However, the net income surged to $82.7 million, a remarkable 406.2% increase. John, what drove this impressive profitability despite the revenue decline?
Absolutely. The key drivers were reduced operating expenses, lower impairment charges, and increased investment income. These factors more than offset the revenue decline, which was primarily due to lower coal sales and transportation revenues. The adjusted EBITDA also saw a significant increase of 54.1% to $191.1 million, highlighting the company's operational efficiency.
And the earnings per share came in at 64 cents, beating the forecast of 61 cents from three analysts. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This indicates that Alliance Resource Partners not only managed to control costs effectively, but also exceeded market expectations, which is a positive signal for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operations, Alliance Resource Partners reported a significant increase in coal production volumes, up 18.7% year over year. They also achieved record oil and gas royalty volumes. How do these operational metrics position the company for 2026?
The increase in coal production and record oil and gas royalty volumes underscore the company's strong operational capabilities. For 2026, Alliance expects to maintain high levels of oil and gas royalty volumes and anticipates strong operational and financial performance in their coal operations. This is supported by their strategic investments and cost management efforts.
And they've declared a quarterly cash distribution of 60 cents per unit. What does this mean for investors?
This distribution reflects the company's confidence in its cash flow generation and commitment to returning value to unit holders. It's a positive sign for income-focused investors.
CEO commentary and strategic initiatives. Let's discuss the leadership's perspective. CEO Joseph W. Kraft III commented on the solid performance in the fourth quarter and full year. What were the highlights from his statement?
Mr. Kraft highlighted the record oil and gas royalty volumes and the strong performance of their coal operations, particularly in the Illinois Basin. He also mentioned strategic investments, including a $17.5 million investment in a coal-fired power plant, which aligns with their strategy to generate attractive returns for unit holders.
Looking ahead, what are the key strategic initiatives for 2026?
The focus will be on maintaining cost discipline and execution. The company aims to improve operating expenses per ton sold and leverage their logistical advantages to meet increased customer demand. This strategic focus is expected to support their long-term growth and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Alliance Resource Partners delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2025, with significant improvements in profitability and operational metrics. John, what are the key takeaways for investors?
Investors should note the robust net income of $311.2 million for the full year, total revenue of $2.2 billion, and adjusted EBITDA of $698.7 million. The company's positive outlook for 2026, with a focus on operational efficiency and strategic investments, makes it an attractive prospect for long-term growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Alliance Resource Partners' performance in the comments below.